Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to install a 300 Norma Magnum magazine block. This limiter is for a 10-round magazine to convert it to 5 rounds. So the key of taking this apart is you have to tilt the follower down and then it'll pop out through the top. It's a little difficult. It's harder to get back in though. You just pull this. Spring comes out. Now with the magazine limiter, what you want to do is just angle it in first, go this way, tilt it up through the back, and then push it straight down. Make sure it's seated all the way at the bottom, and that's how it installs. So now you've got to put the spring back in. Make sure it fits under the lip and it's not catching in the front or back, and then just work the follower back in. You may have to angle the follower a little bit to get this to go in. It's a little hard to do on camera. And then to get it in the rest of the way, just angle it back down, and there you go. So now this will only hold 5 rounds. And here would be the 6th. Got a little bit of room to load with the bolts, but there you go. 5-round limiter for the 300 Norma Mag